Yeah, this shit right in the hood though. Like, you feel me? A deer is right there. You dig? Y'all see that shit? I see this shit. I have to open the door and shit. Shit is right there. Like, that's good. The deer is just cooling right here. Cars, everything's around. That's how they do out here, I guess. Shit real. Oh shit, they got another one. Y'all see this shit? Dang, this should have never happened in the hood. It's that country shit. Too dead.